So for the next movement abnormality, which we are going to discuss, this is what is known as a Gluteus Maximus gait. Gluteus Maximus gait. Okay, it's also known as a Lordotic Gait. Okay, so you can see how the person's back is swayed, the up is swayed back, while the lower limb is kind of like moving, before the upper limb, So Gluteus Maximus gait is also known as lurching gait, it's also known as Lordotic Gait. So it occurs when the gluteus maximus muscle is weak, leading to difficulties in extending the hip during walking. So to compensate for that weakness, the patient is now thrusting their trunk backward, while their lower limb is actually what's going to the front. This is, you are trying to prevent the body from falling. Okay, so cause is due to weakness or paralysis of the gluteus maximus. Appearance, we have at heel strike, so the trunk locks backward, so this backward extension interrupts forward trunk motion. So the movement is trying to compensate for what is, lost. Okay, so Gluteus Maximus gait, lurching gait, and another name that is not really always known is Lordotic Gait. Okay, so common causes of gluteus maximus weaknesses could be neurological linked, so injuries to the inferior gluteal nerve, spinal cord lesions. It could be musculoskeletal issues like muscle atrophy, maybe after a surgery. It could be systemic issues like all those neuromuscular diseases. So clinical significance: such people, they will have difficulties in climbing the stairs. They'll have these difficulties when standing from a chair, because those activities, they put a lot of pressure or a lot of work on your gluteus maximus. They'll have difficulties running, and there's increased risk of them falling due to poor hip stability. So that's it for this particular gait.